CAM, the lead oxide specialists. Have you ever seen a CAM ball mill in action? Perhaps you've wondered why these machines, so precise and efficient in the production of lead oxide, are almost always installed within a special environment, a climate chamber. This isn't just a simple enclosed space, but a meticulously designed environment, custom-tailored to the unique needs of CAM ball mills. The reason is simple, yet fundamental: consistency. Seasons change, bringing with them significant fluctuations in temperature and humidity. These variations, seemingly innocuous, can actually significantly affect the lead oxidation process inside the mill. This is why the climate chamber plays a crucial role, together with a carefully designed ventilation system. This controlled environment allows for the production of lead oxide of superior and, above all, consistent quality throughout the year. Imagine the difference: a lead oxide that maintains its characteristics impeccably, batch after batch, season after season. This is the guarantee offered by CAM ball mills and their integration with the dedicated climate chamber. But there is more. The climate chamber is always included in the price of the mill. Choosing a CAM ball mill means opting for a complete, efficient solution designed to guarantee the highest quality lead oxide production, without surprises and with a clear and defined investment from the start. A real advantage for your business. Unstable lead oxide and fluctuating production, depending on the season, will just be bad memories. Want to learn more about how CAM ball mills can optimize your lead oxide production? Contact us today for a personalized consultation.